Jai Hind dosto. So we are now going from Umroi bypass. We're going back to Shillong. So, first of all, welcome to my newest vlog. This is Eddie Roy, and welcome to ADRVLOG240. I'm really thankful to you people for liking my videos. So these are the videos of Meghalaya that you will not get very easily elsewhere. This is a bypass from a place called Umroi. Umroi, there's an airport for Shillong. It's a small airport where only Dornier aircrafts can land. There is airport connectivity between Calcutta and Delhi. So this is Umroi area, and since the bypass goes from here and meets the Jowai road, Shillong Jowai road somewhere, it's called Umroi bypass. Enjoy the view. You are getting the view of this beautiful landscape from the camera atop the vehicle. Yeah, it's tricky. It's through the sunroof, of course, but no neck is, being propped out. It's only the hand.
छेड़ दिया कैसा ये फसाना, मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है, दिल लगाने का तू ही तरीका है, एतबार भी तुझी से होता है, खामोश मैं कभी बाहों में है तेरी।
guys, we are on the way to Shillong, and now we are going to pass through Mawrengkreng village. It's a very advanced village. Can't say it's a really village, it's a small town. And after a few kilometers from here, the Shillong area will start. I hope this journey has been of interest to you. I request you that if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and please do hit the bell icon. Please hit that like button. Here you can see a tea garden also in Mawrengkreng, and this is a beautiful picnic spot also, but you need to arrange the booking of that place priorly. So I'm signing off, but please subscribe and like and share my video. Love you all. Signing off, Eddie Roy.